Check it out. That's the rotor. That's a brand new rotor. When you take it out of the box or the plastic, make sure you clean it with brake cleaner. Take all this grease off, front and back. As you can see, where you press the piston back flush, pretty much that's where I wanted it. So that's the rotor. Remember to take the grease off with brake cleaner, front and back. Check this out. I was doing replacing my brakes. This clip, they forced it in. You see how it's bent right there? They didn't put the brakes right. Check this out. I'm gonna put it upside down. There it goes. See? That clip is bent. Right there in the corner. Right here where my thumb is. So I'm gonna have to replace it. When you're replacing this little brackets right here, make sure you see right there. Clean it good with a wire brush. Take all that dirt on the little gaps right there, the edges. And that's all it takes. And then you come back, hook this little brand new wires, these little brackets. Check this out. I like to put a little bit of grease right there. Just tiny little bit. So we put in this back right there. Check it out. It's all dirty. Check that out. It's nice and clean. It's nice and lubricated. So we're gonna put it right here. Just like that. And like I said, don't forget to tie that bone and this one right here. Very tight. All is this to put that one in. As you can see, we done. Don't forget to tie those. And this one. And that one. And this one. I'm done. Everything's tight. Don't forget to close this. Once you do that, you get inside, you pump the pedal, the brake, until it gets hard. And that's all it takes. Alright guys, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to pump the brake until it gets hard. Thanks for watching.